Hello, hello everyone. I hope you all are safely enjoying this beautiful summer weather we've been having. I'm here today to show you a tutorial on a super exciting feature that we're happy to provide to all of our members, and that is you can now schedule your workout spot at your local Y 7 days in advance as opposed to just to 24 hours in advance. So let's get started. So what you want to do first is you want to grab your mobile device, or in this case I'm using my laptop, and you want to head on over to www.bookaspot.org. Excellent. And you want to click here on the login tab. Now I have online access enabled on my account, but if you're not quite sure if you have online access, you can just simply follow the prompts to the Find Your Account by entering the email address or the phone number associated with your account. If you're having any issues, you could also view the tutorial on our social media pages as well as on our YouTube channel, YMCA of Greater Providence, or you can contact your Y location. So in this case, I know the email address associated with my account. I'm just going to type that in and hit submit, and I'm going to enter my password. Excellent. So in this case, my YMCA location is not Kent County, it's Bayside. So I'm just going to change that. You can just simply do that by clicking the change feature here if the Y that appears is incorrect. So what I'm going to do is I'm simply going to scroll down to book my spot. And I do not quite know what my week will look like, but I do have a few days in which I do have some time set aside to work out. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm an early riser. So I'm going to do some cardio on Monday. I'm going to select register. And this is a membership agreement due to the changing times. It's just to keep our staff as well as yourself safe. I'm just going to read through it, and I'm going to accept and sign. I'm just going to sign digitally and hit I agree. And then I'm not done just yet. Like I said, I have some slots during the week that I'm able to work out, so I'm just going to simply click add more programs up here. And I'm going to scroll back down to book my spot. And I think on Tuesday, I have some availability in the afternoon. So I'm just going to scroll down and see what options there are for Tuesday. I'm going to click load more results. Perfect. And so I think I'm going to swim on Tuesday morning at 8 to 8:45. I'm going to simply click register here up top. And again, review the waiver. Sign. And then one more. I'm going to go here to add more programs. And I have some availability on Wednesday. So I'm going to go back to book my spot. You can also, this is a new trick, instead of scrolling down, you can also click days of the week here, located on the left-hand side of your screen. So Wednesday works for my schedule, and I have some availability around noon. Click that. And it's going to filter out the noon options. I think I'm going to work on my strength here. So I'm going to schedule a time slot for the free weights. Going to select register. Again, I'm going to have to accept and sign the waiver. Perfect. So what I'm going to do before I quote unquote check out, I'm just going to simply review my options and see if they're all correct. I have a spot on Monday at 6, on Tuesday at 8 a.m., and on Wednesday at noon. And it all looks correct, so I'm simply going to hit next. And it looks like I'm signed up. So what will happen next is you will get a confirmation email sent to the email address on file, and you can simply show up no more than 5 minutes before your scheduled time, and enjoy. We look forward to seeing you soon, and happy exercising.